Hello everyone, I'm Scott Aubrey with Aubrey Law. We're an estate planning and probate law firm, and I'm very excited to be here with you today. And today I'm going to talk about where you should store your will. But before we get started, if you have any questions about what I talk about today, any questions about estate planning, or if you need some help getting started with an estate plan, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either in person or over the phone. Again, that's estateplanmeeting.com. So today's topic is, where should I store my will? This is something that I cover during the signing with my clients. So when they come in to sign their estate plan documents, I kind of go over some things about their plan, but also we go over where should we store it. People have a variety of different opinions on this. Some people say, I'm going to do it in my file cabinet. Some people say, I have a safe. I'm going to store it in. Some people have a fireproof bag. Some people say their freezer. Some people say their sock drawer. So people can really store it anywhere they want. The way we structure the plans here is that we don't really include any sort of personal information. So there's no social security numbers. So there's no bank accounts. So if someone were to see those documents, it's not like they can steal your identity or steal some sort of important information to access your accounts. The only thing that really contains is what happens to your assets after you die. So who gets what. So if that's something that you want to hide from other people, then you want to make sure that you store it in a really safe spot. But I think the one key to deciding where you should store your estate plan documents is making sure that it's accessible to the people who need to access it. So you want to make sure that your agents know where they are, whether that would be your healthcare agent or your durable power of attorney, also to your personal representatives. So basically, you want to make sure the people that need to access your plan know where it is. And that's why a safe is, while it's a good spot to keep it safe, you want to make sure that the people who need to access it will have the combination to your safe. So that's something that you need to consider when you're deciding where to store your documents. The one place I would say you definitely don't want to do it is a safety deposit box. People tend to think this is a great spot because it's safe, no one can access it, from fires or whatnot. But the only problem with using a safety deposit box is that if the person who needs to access it, his name is not on the box, then there's no way the bank is going to let them access it to retrieve the estate plan. They'll have to get a court order, and that's going to take more time. So I really don't advise that people do that. So to sum up, the best place to store your estate plan is a place that makes it accessible to the people who need it, while at the same time keeping it in a place that you'll know where it is down the road. So that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone that could benefit from seeing this video, please share this with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave one and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And again, if you have any questions about estate planning, if you want to get started, if you want me to review your plan, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either in person or on the phone. Again, it's estateplanmeeting.com. I'm Scott Aubrey with Aubrey Law, and I'll talk to you soon.